I absolutely love these little clips. I have used them for everything. When I'm doing leather work, it will hold the leather together while you stitch it. Like here, this is a sample. I'm making a day planner and I want to make sure that it's the right size and will fit. So I used the little clips right at where the stitching would go. Just a second, I'm going to show you what happens. First thing I did was stick the planner into the sleeve, and you can see it fits just perfectly, so I'm kind of happy. Now I'm going to turn it over and it fits just fine. We're going to flip the lid. This is going to be for credit cards. Now we're going to flip the lid over to make sure it's going to fit nicely, and it is nearly a perfect fit. Right here will be where the snap goes, and this is where the pin goes. But the clips work marvelously. They hold it together. I can test it, make sure it works. I've used them with my sewing. It is an excellent product, and I would recommend them highly.